morning. I am just now headed back home. I went to a Dollar Tree. I finally found, sorry if the camera's all wobbly, I finally found the item from like the Valentine's Day collection that I was looking for. I was just like crossing my fingers I was gonna find it. I'll show you guys what it is, but it's in the back seat right now. But I feel like now I can breathe easy, but I saw these items on the website, and yeah, there's actually several other things too that I'm eyeing, but I have not seen them yet at the store. So anyways, I'm gonna go home. I know I didn't like take you guys into the store and like film with me, but I don't know, I guess I was just a little bit out of it. It's New Year's Day. So basically I'm just gonna go home now and eat some breakfast. I don't know, I think I might want to make French toast, but I just want to eat something because I feel extra hungry this morning. It's about 10 o'clock. And then I'm gonna shower and do my hair because I feel like it's been like I know it just looks absolutely awful in this shot, but it's just a little bit dry. And so I'm gonna go home and do that, and then pretty much just like, you know, have a typical New Year's Day for me, which is just kind of lounging and relaxing because I feel like I've been running around the holiday season. I'm just kind of taking you guys through, I guess, little bits and pieces of my day. I mean, obviously that's what I do on my vlog, but this is probably a little bit more random. But usually I'll come back home and check my... Hi. Did you finally wake up? You are. She always leans into my hand, and it's the cutest thing. Sorry about my hair, but I just threw it up because I'm gonna shower after I make breakfast. But like I was saying, I usually, whenever I run errands, I always come back to my to-do list. So last night I didn't really vlog at all. I think I completely just like checked out, but I watched 9 to 5 on repeat for some reason. Like, I was really feeling that movie, and like I didn't like sit here and like watch it like, you know, every second. It was just like on in the background kind of thing. And then I was going through my design decor plans for the house. I cannot wait for you guys to like see what's going on in this back wall of the living room, but that will be revealed soon on my main channel. And yeah, so then last night I just like was writing like things down. I was also writing down what Valentine's Day DIYs I wanted to like kick the Valentine's Day holiday off on my channel. So I think I kind of have some stuff. I think I need to go pick up some paint, or not paint, spray paint. Okay, so I have my to-do list for tomorrow. And now I will show you guys what the item is. Alright, and here it is. Now, I have not looked back at my Dollar Tree hauls from February 2020. And honestly, that's something I need to do, because I feel like when I get up in front of the camera and I'm like, oh, I don't remember if this was out last year or not. Like, I need to remember, you know, I need to go through like my videos and just kind of remember inventory, because I want to be as informative as possible, but obviously I'm just like anybody else and I just have a channel, and sometimes I don't have all of the information, but I'm diving too deep into this video. Anyways, so I'm gonna do that today as a task. I'm gonna go back and kind of like skim through all of my videos and watch, so I don't remember, you know, if this was last year or not, but this was the item that I immediately saw on the website and I knew I wanted it straight away because there's a DIY I'm gonna do with it. I've never been more pleased with myself than this very moment. This just was packed. I don't even know if I got the angles because I just threw up the camera in certain areas and got to work, but this whole area was just, you couldn't even maneuver through it. And even in there, it was a mess as well. That stuff over there is Valentine's Day stuff. You might recognize these pillows from my bedspread for Christmas, but I'm keeping them out because I think they'll do great as well for Valentine's Day. I'll go ahead and show you guys this pillow. I was going to do a haul, but then I started putting up all the items that I got from the at-home store, so can't really do a haul now. But it says, "I love you too," in the back. My daughter picked it out. She loves this pillow, so it's going to go upstairs in the media room. So yeah, and then I got these pillow covers from Amazon, and these are going to go downstairs. The rug should be here in a couple of days. I'm not sure when the chair and ottoman are arriving, but this will be moving because I'd rather the chair be over there, and I think it won't block as much light. Now, if you haven't seen all of my vlogs, I have moved this piece over here, but I didn't like the chairs there. And then the only reason why I'm not moving the sofa over here is just because I just wasn't a fan of not having a way to kind of like close off this room somehow, but maybe I will put it in this wall when the chair comes. I'm not sure again. I just have like decor pieces that are hanging out until I can find a place for it. That piece is moving. It's not going to go here. I think I might use it in the guest bedroom. So I need to take this down because it's been distracting me, and I need to get it hauled upstairs. And then you can see like the bookshelves are kind of a little bit chaotic. I've got some extra decor over there, and then a diffuser over there that I'm going to use in this room. And then this stuff is what I have left over from Christmas that just needs to find a way into a bin. I have some bins that are on the floor that need to go up to this like hanging ceiling thing storage unit that I have, but I'm sweating and I'm wearing makeup, so I'm trying not to overdo it. But this is the goal, just a little bit every day, and then I won't feel as overwhelmed. But this really needed to be done because I was literally living with all this stuff here for like 4 days. It was too much for me. Oh, she is demanding. Yes, I'm petting you. She also wants me to stare at her. So I'm gonna talk to you while I stare at you, okay? Anytime I see Loxy just kind of like pacing, I can tell she's restless, and usually she's looking for a walk. So I'm gonna go take her for a walk, and I'm just gonna get this coat on. I was looking for my black beanie, but